up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop, and welcome to build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link, all the way along the bottom there. There's a clickable version in the description below. Head over and take a subscription out to this beautiful 1/8 scale model. You won't be disappointed. So what are we up to today? We're doing kit 69, which is the rear desk base and carpet. We've got a couple of bits in the packet there, which I've got just here. Okay, you've got a chrome section and you've got a boot floor cover. Okay, so we want those. And we're going to be putting them together as well as fitting in the folding rear seat cover section that we built recently, which is just on my left, that section. So you want that as well with you. And also you'll be bringing in your interior tub section as well, which is just on my left. So we're going to be assembling this, putting this together, following the step-by-step instructions, which are really easy, folks, and concise. And then it shows you in detail there where you're hooking this in place. Okay, there's two little holes and you've got two pegs, and they're going to just pop straight in there. And obviously it then says pop your fire extinguisher in, which I did last episode because I didn't want to lose it. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and that's what your completed interior is going to look like, folks. It's coming together really well. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to pop that out the way at the back there, and then we'll bring our parts in. Right, folks, so we're grabbing our chrome section, rather bright, isn't it? And we're going to be popping this in place over it. Okay, so it can only go one way, which is with the ovals cut out like so, and it'll just rest through like so. Okay, and then this is going to screw down inside the tub, and then you're going to put the seat locks in place over the top and put them in. Okay, so we'll pop this in first. So we'll grab our rear tub section. They'll be going in momentarily. So let's just bring the tub in. And then you want these ovals facing the back because you've got the seat locks that are going in place. That's going to sit in somewhat like so. Bit of a dust magnet, the velvet, so be prepared for that. And we want a pair of PS05 screws are going to go in. So we'll have them like so, and put a drop of oil on just to be on the safe side. And then we'll come up underneath the back there and try and pop them in place. So I'll try and bring that into shot for you. We're going in there. Same the other side. Apologies for the angle, but I'm working right under a boom arm, so apologies for that. Same again, just in there like that. And then we've got the seat locks to go in as well, so we want to get them in place. Now they've got a little woodruff key like tip that goes in the keyhole shape at the top there. Okay, so they only go in the one way. So I'll just put one in first, like so. That will drop in place, and then you want a PS14 screw. Hold that in place with your finger, like so, and quickly spin up the tub section and home your screw straight in. And that's now fitted that. We can do the same the other side. I'll get the fluff off with a toothbrush afterwards, or shall I use that? There you go. And then again the same with the little tongue at the back there. Just line that up with the hole. That then pings straight into place, and then we'll put a little oil on our screw, press it with my finger, and then we'll try and get that in its appropriate hole just up in there like that. And that's that in place. You can see what I mean about it being a dust magnet, folks. So what I tend to do is I store these in a carrier bag until I'm ready for them to come back out, because yeah, I want to super glue that mat back down as well. Right, so we got that section in. We now want to grab our seat back and seat cover section, which is this with the hinge in it, and this is then going to go in over the top of this. Okay, so we want to try and splay this apart enough to get these pegs in place, folks. Okay, so that's one in, and then we got one down there somewhere like that, and that's gone straight in for me. And what that'll do is that'll let you then rest your seat back up in place, somewhat like so. Okay, and then obviously you can fold it down like so if you so choose. So there you go. So that's what you're going to end up with, peeps, at the end. A little seat unit that you can sit and play with. So folks, that's this issue done. I can sit and play happily with my seat. If you'd like to grab this for yourself, head over to this link all the way along there. Oh, that will take you to the Fanhome website, where you too can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale Eleanor. And as you can see, she is a thing of beauty, isn't she? Look at that, hey, all day long. In the meantime, if you can click little festakins in the corner there and subscribe to my channel, that would be massively appreciated. Also, whilst you're there, if you can just ring the bell for me, that would be great, folks. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thanks for coming in and keeping me company, and until the next time, bye bye for now. Bye.